I'm going to show you step by step how to unban your banned WhatsApp account. I know how frustrating it is when WhatsApp suddenly bans your account. It can be very frustrating, especially when you know you didn't do anything wrong. Sometimes it almost feels like WhatsApp is targeting you personally. But the truth is, even if you're not breaking any rules, WhatsApp automated systems can mistakenly flag your account. So by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do to appeal and get your banned account back. The very first thing you are going to do is head over to your phone setting, scroll down until you find WhatsApp. Once you click on it, you will see different options like storage and data. Now, be very careful here. You are not going to clear your WhatsApp storage. All you are going to do is to clear your WhatsApp cache. If you do that, you wipe all your chat, media, and even your backups. What you should clear is only the cache. So click on the cache, and that is all for this step. Simple and straightforward. Once you clear your cache, the next step is to go straight to the official WhatsApp website. Don't worry, I will leave the link in the description so you can click easily. When you land on the website, look up to the top left corner of the page. You will see a menu button. Tap on it and it will open a drop down menu. From the menu, select Help Center. Inside the Help Center, you see a lot of popular topics, but that is not what we are looking for. So what you should do is to scroll down a little until you find an article called About Banned Accounts. So click on it. Now, I know some of you might be tempted to start reading the whole article, but that is not necessary at all. What you need is at the bottom of the page. So scroll all the way down until you see the question, does this answer your question? Of course, your answer is no. So click on no. So after you click no, the site will bring up another question, what went wrong? If you see some options, from the options, choose the middle one that says the solution doesn't work. So then tap select. Immediately a text box will appear where you can write more details about your issue. This is where you are going to paste the exact appeal message that I have prepared for you. So don't try to write your own from your own words. Use the exact appeal message I have provided. You will find it in the video description below. If you don't use the right appeal message, your chance of getting your account back might be low. So after pasting the message, you will have to enter some basic information about yourself and your banned account. So fill it correctly. Don't make mistakes. Once you are done, click on submit. So once you submit your appeal, that is it. From my experience and all others who have used this exact method, WhatsApp usually opens the account within a few hours, but in some cases it can take up to 2 to 3 days. It depends on the reason why your account was banned. So just be patient, check your account from time to time, and hopefully your account will be unbanned soon. This is not the only method that works. I actually have 2 other methods that you can also try if this doesn't work for you. These videos are already on my channel and you can find them popping on your screen right now. So just click on them and watch that video. If you have any question at all, drop them in the comment section. I will reply to as many as I can. And before you leave, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to also subscribe so you won't miss my upcoming tutorial.